Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool and easy panning effect on CapCut. So you are just going to select effects and you're going to select video effects here. Then you are going to go to distortion. After that you are going to select ripple distortion right here. Press the check mark button and then you are going to select adjust, turn the sharpen to the left, also blur, and also the size, and you're just going to adjust the speed here. You can't really see it on like a moving picture, so I suggest you do it like on a photo instead. Like here I'm just going to kind of freeze it. So let's go and select freeze, and I'm just going to delete the rest. Oops. And then I'm going to apply the effect again because it got deleted. So distortion, ripple, distortion, adjust, and then adjust the speed here. If you want it to go faster, go to the right. If you want it to go slower, move it to the left. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!